Oh, damn, dude. Forgot about this. Anyone want some bicycles? I think I just need a freaking shovel or something. Probably seems pretty fucking weird that I'm doing all this shit. But at some point, you just gotta fucking make some progress. Haha. Gen 1 original trucks. Ridiculous. Forgot about this. Back in the day, the guys at Loaded wanted to do a collaboration with Original, specific for the trucks, because they're awesome. Added that notch. Because I am not as awesome, for whatever reason, I didn't do that. Crazy, man. 2008, right? So it all kind of started to happen for us and for the industry. Looking at that old Loaded board, maybe remember those early orangutan videos. Those are freaking classics, man. I remember seeing those going, holy shit. How the fuck are we gonna go that fast? You're not going to on original trucks. And then went to Hawaii sessions. Rode the whole time on original trucks. If you look at some of those clips of Bish and Dutch and Derek, it's fucking insane. 40 miles an hour on S8s? That's nuts. Regardless, the trucks are exactly the same right now, essentially, as they were when we started working on them in 2002. I think back then I was thinking that I wanted to see how far we could progress and that we were going to develop the trucks, which would let us get more speed. The problem is, that just never really happened. So that's the other thing this is about. Hopefully, getting to some of that stuff, because actually developing new ideas is my favorite part of this. That's pretty much why I came back. More original truck base plates. If any of you guys need one, give me a ring. S6 hanger, which I'm trying to get rid of. We shouldn't even be making that anymore. S8's still fun. Looking at all this shit, it literally just makes me think about those early trips. My favorite was actually Whiteface. We were there for like a night. Whiteface sessions, awesome. Puerto Rico, freaking blast. I need some surf like that again. Maybe not to look like such a jerk coming out of the tube, but really wish I could get back in the water. I can. I'm working back up to it, training in the pool. Anytime the doctor says you almost had a heart attack, it's not real good. Actually might fit. If I can make it fit, I feel like that is a reasonable place to stop for today. Holy shit. Hopefully, this will turn into an actual development lab capable of actually cranking out some legit stuff.
Last Skateboards in Chicago, counting down to LG.